Good morning, students. Welcome back to English class. It's Friday, 31st July, the last day of this month, and tomorrow onwards, August will start. Hope you all will be fit and fine, happy and healthy, and doing well at your home. I'm Mrs. Bandana Singh, class teacher of 8th B, and your English teacher. I teach English in 6th standard. I welcome you back in English class. Today in this class we are going to start grammar. We have done our third and fourth lesson of supplementary reader, and today we'll start grammar. And in our grammar also two chapters have done, and its third chapter, the article. We know what are articles, we have studied also, and in our daily day-to-day life we use articles. Knowingly or unknowingly we use them, but today we'll learn it in detail. What are articles, what are the rules while using article, and how we use article. This all we'll study today. Yes, let's start. As we are starting article today, we should know that what are article. Yes, do you know what are article? Yes, obviously we all know what are article. See, let's see the definition of article. An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. What are noun? We know well. Noun. Noun is a name of word, place, animal. Everything is noun only. Okay, before noun we use article. An article modifies and describes the noun. Means article tells us more about a noun. It used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. Okay, we use article before a noun and it shows that is this a specific or not. Specific means fix. We know specific. Specific means particular or fix. It tells us that a noun is specific or it's not. We came to know about what are articles. Articles are the word we used before noun and they modify the noun. Words used before and modify noun are article. And sometimes article function as adjective also. What are adjective? Adjective describe noun. Okay, noun also modify. See, adjective describe noun and article modify noun. Okay, now see, there are two kinds of article. First we should know, we need to know that what are which are articles. Firstly we need to know what are articles. Articles are a, an and the. We use it. Yes, I want to eat an apple, I want to eat an egg. Like this we use it every day. Then articles have categorized in two kinds. These are definite and indefinite. Indefinite, one article comes in definite and it's the, and two articles a and n are indefinite article. The use of a and n is same only. A and n means the same. When a thing is one we use a. Okay, but the difference is where we use a and where we use n. We'll learn this also today. As we came to know that articles have categorized in two kinds. First one is definite article and second one is indefinite article. Indefinite article, what is there? The. And indefinite article a and n. Definite means the thing which is fixed. It's definite. We can't change it. Indefinite means it's not definite. The opposite is definite is indefinite means which is not fixed. Okay, definite article is the. It tells us the thing is unique. The thing is specific. Okay, some unique things it tells us about a thing, a noun. An indefinite article a and use, we use it generally. It's general. See here one example is given. Okay, how to use a or an and how to use the. Definite article and indefinite article. See, there are given some apples. Yes, how many apples are there? 5 apple are there. Yes, see how to use the. In first indefinite article we are practicing. Then I am saying that I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. Okay, I'm just pointing that which apple I want to eat. Okay, there are 5 apples Okay, and I am pointing and I am saying that I want to eat the apple which is at the first position from the group of apple. Okay, then I am pointing a specific apple which is kept in first position. That's why it's a fix, it's a specific, and that's why I used here the. I want to eat the apple which is first position. Or second example maybe I want to eat the apple which one is green. I want to eat the green apple. I can say like this. I am pointing the specific apple which one is green. That's why we used here article the. And second one, how to use a and n, it's general, it's not fixed. I am just saying that I want to eat an apple. Okay, anyone you can give me. There are 5 apple. Okay, some are red, dark red, some will light red, some will green. I just want to eat apple. It doesn't matter which one you are giving to me. That's why I am saying that I want to eat an apple. Okay, that's why it's not fixed, it's not definite, it's indefinite, because I want to eat apple. Anyone, it's general. Okay, general means very simple, anyone you can give me. But when I say in it in a specific way, I want to eat any specific apple, I say that I want to eat the green apple. Yes, I say I want to eat the green apple. This is the difference between the definite and indefinite article. Firstly, we came to know that the difference between definite and indefinite. Yes, now it's the time when to use. We have know that we came to know that where to use a or n and where to use the. For definite things we use the, and for indefinite things we use a or n. Okay, definite means which is fixed. Yes, and indefinite means which is not fixed, it's general. Now the point where to use a or n. Okay, now we know that there are 26 letters in English, 26 alphabets. Among these 26, it is categorized in two kinds, vowels and consonants. There are 5 vowels and 21, rest of 21 are consonants. Yes, 5 are vowel and rest 21 are consonants. We know well which are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels and rest are consonants. Now see the vowel. The vowel are A, E, I, O, U. Yes, and rest are consonant. Then where we use N? We use N where the noun start with the sound of vowel. Okay, see the point here. We are not saying that when a noun start with vowel. We are saying that when a vowel start with this, when a noun start with a vowel sound. Got the difference? We are not saying that when a noun start with vowel. We are saying that when a noun starts with a vowel sound, there we use N. And when a word start with consonant or consonant sound, there we use A. Okay, we are not seeing the word it's starting with consonant. We are seeing the word that is it starting with the consonant sound. Yes, if a word start with consonant sound, then we start a. Giving here some example of vowel. See, ant. Ant, we know that ant started with vowel. A is there. Then that's why we will use here an. An ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. We have used n here. We are practicing the use of a and n. The next word is here in this series, an r. Okay, what is the spelling of R? H-O-U-R. Is this start with the vowel? No, it has started with a consonant word. But why we have written in the category of vowel? Because it has a word H start with the sound of vowel sound. Already I have mentioned that the word, the noun start with the vowel sound, then we use N before it. Then R is the word as each from consonant, but it is giving sound of vowel, that's why we are using here N. Now where we use A, the word starts with consonant sound, there we use A, like a boy, a woman, a horse, a book. Okay. Now let's revise what all we learned today. Today we learned what are articles. Yes, we came to know that articles were used before noun and they modify noun. Which are the articles? A, an, and the. These are the articles. Then we came to know types of article. We have categorized the articles in two types, definite articles and indefinite articles. And which one is definite article? The is the definite article and A and N is the indefinite article. After that we learned where we use the and where we use A or N. If the thing is specific, fixed or definite, we use the, and if the thing is not specific, we use A or N. Okay, and we saw many examples also where we use A and where we used N. This is all we learned today. Now you also practice this topic. It's lesson number 3 of your grammar book. See the examples given in the book, practice it and find more and more words starting with A and N, and try to understand where we are using A and where we are using N. And today's homework is make a list of 10 words starting with A, 10 words starting with N, and remaining 10 with starting with the. Okay, as tomorrow is our Zoom class, I am going to check it, the assignment given today. What is the assignment? I am revising it again. Make a list of words, 10 words starting with A, 10 words starting with A, 10 words starting with N, and 10 words starting with the. Okay, this was all about today. Now for tomorrow Zoom class, I am going to see your notebook also, whether it is complete or not. Please complete it. Okay, now it's enough for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye, take care.